Hi, I'm Lilia Wiggett Hernandez, owner of Commonwealth Life and Legacy Counsel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to talk with your adult children about some basic legal documents that they may want to put into place before they head off to college or university. Did you know that when your child turns 18, they are a stranger under the law to you? As a mom, it's crazy to think of my children being strangers to me under any circumstances, legal or otherwise. But once your child turns 18, they have full authority to make all their healthcare decisions and full authority to keep their healthcare information private from everyone, including you. Under Virginia law, you do have the authority to make healthcare decisions for your unmarried adult child in the event they cannot make decisions for themselves. But what that means is that your child is unable to give informed consent. They cannot understand what's happening to them, and they cannot communicate at all about what they want to have happen to them. It's almost as if you could imagine your child would have to be in a coma for that provision of Virginia law to take effect. We can all think of circumstances short of that in which we would want to help our child make healthcare decisions in a health crisis, and we'd want to have access to their healthcare information so we could find out how they're doing. And probably our children would want that too. One example is the Virginia Tech shooting that happened in 2007. When parents heard about the shooting in Blacksburg, they were calling local hospitals desperately asking, is my child there and are they okay? And in most cases, the hospitals couldn't tell them anything because they didn't have a Healthcare Privacy Act waiver on file, a HIPAA waiver, that would authorize the hospital to give information out to parents or anyone else. In the description at the bottom of this video, I've included a link for a free form that's provided by the Virginia State Bar that your child can use to name healthcare decision makers. I've also included a link to a free Healthcare Information Privacy Act waiver, a HIPAA waiver. I would advise you to ask your child to consider making that HIPAA waiver effective immediately. That means that they don't have to be completely unable to make healthcare decisions in order for you to have access to their healthcare information. And if your child does decide to fill out those forms, upload them to the Connect Virginia Advanced Medical Directive Registry. I've included a link for that website in the description of this video. When you do that, those forms can be accessed by medical providers throughout the Commonwealth of Virginia. If your child does decide to fill out these forms and give you that authority, please use it responsibly and respectfully. Remember, your children are adults. These are their forms. They get to choose who to name to make decisions and have access to their healthcare information. And just as they have the authority to put these legal documents in place, they also have the authority to revoke them at any time. For parents who have children that are headed off to school, congratulations. And for students who are headed to college or university, I wish you the best of luck. I'm Lilia Wiggett Hernandez, owner of Commonwealth Life and Legacy Counsel.